I'm Michael Curry. I'm an instructor and speech and debate coach here at Sprague High School. I'm also a graduate. I was here from 1988 to 1992. And I think, considering my role as a student, the thing that Athena, for me, is the opportunity to finally be able to point to something and say, that is what we are striving to be. Like, were we the torches? What does an Olympian mean? It was really always kind of hard to figure out, what being a Sprague Olympian meant. And Athena gives us that opportunity for the first time to be able to point to something that embraces a lot of parts of academics and athletics and co-curriculars, and really the idea of, success through intelligence. And there is the physical aspect, but at the end of the day, Athena is about using your brain. And I'm very excited that really for the very first time, we are doing the hard work to create a target for students to hit that will enrich their lives while they're here, whether they're in the classroom, in the halls, or out on the field. This is really exciting and truly groundbreaking, and I think our students now and moving into the future are going to benefit from the work that we're doing, putting together an idea that we are a family. We are a family made up of lots of very different people, but we have a lot of similarities, and those similarities are larger than our differences. And if we focus on success in our academics and in our athletics and in our co-curriculars, and we see each other for the successes that we are capable of achieving, then we're seeing each other more as people, and we can focus on the things that make us good people instead of focusing on the things that we're told we shouldn't like those people because of this thing or that thing. And I think Athena can help us with that, because it can all tie back to that idea of is thinking about somebody a particular way successful? Will that be successful for your life? Will that be successful for your mental health? Will that be successful for you in your academic career in the future? Will that be successful for your job career in the future? If the answer is no, then it's time to do the hard work to think about, okay, I'm not being Athena. And I hope that as we move forward, that is what we're able to do with this addition to our Olympian culture, which I think, like I said before, it's a long time coming, and I think it will be very beneficial for our staff, our students, our community as a whole.